Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Monday, August 26, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra. And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Welcome back, Pythons.
Whew, this weekend flew by. Pythons, how did you spend your weekend?
I went to the pool.
Casual. I was super busy because, I'm Batman. The city needed me.
Okay, well, we're here to give you what you need, the important announcements. I'm exhausted. Well, that's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with more daily updates. Have a great day. Go Python!